are the top 3 red flags in men's dressing?
I want to know from your side, like top 3 affordable brands.
So one fashion do and one fashion don't that everyone should know about.
Wardrobe essential for like men or women.
In this journey, nobody's gonna guide you anything. This is I'm telling for young creators who are just starting out, nobody's gonna help you. You have to do all your research, everything on your own. You have to go out, meet people. You will meet right people, you will meet wrong people.
Today, and what's the why? We've got Sakshi Narang, guys. Welcome, Sakshi. How are you?
I'm good.
You're
Thank
good?
you.
Yeah. Awesome. So, as everyone, even amongst your followers, wants to know who you are, so do we. So, let's just begin at your story. We want to know, like, what's your story? Like, where do
How did you
where
come to
we
Dubai? Like, I want to know everything.
He wants to know
What's my
everything.
story? Okay. I come from northern part of India. To be precise, I come from Ghaziabad.
Awesome.
Oh,
Okay. It's Delhi का border.
yes.
But
I'm-
I didn't say Delhi because फिर Delhi वाले बहुत offend हो जाते हैं.
Is it Delhi? Is it Delhi or is it UP?
It's UP, but it's more of Delhi because we Ghaziabad peeps, we have studied in Delhi. हम college के लिए सब लोग Delhi travel करते हैं local लेके. और मेरे time पे metro आई थी, I think तो metro से जाते थे. Now it's like more convenient because of the cabs and everything.
Fair.
So it's more of Delhi, but I didn't want to offend Delhi peeps. So I said, okay,
But
Ghaziabad.
So I'll tell you a funny story. My sister, we're from Delhi, okay, and she was sent to Ghaziabad to study for 5 years.
Oh, lovely. Which college?
It was a dental college where she studied at.
IMS.
Yeah, I think so. And she was like, man, like she like like she didn't have a great experience over there, vagera. And then so in my family, it's like I know what Ghaziabad, like when we go to Ghaziabad, like
Yeah.
at least back in the day, it was like it was not a well done place. But now I'm seeing like so much development happening
Yeah.
over there. Like my Masi
There's
has gone.
metro.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
there's metro
there's
there. My
metro.
Masi
I've
has
never been
shifted
there,
there.
so-
There's like so many different things over there.
Yeah.
But from my sister's experience from back in the day, like that, I think that's where people have their judgment about like Ghaziabad from,
yeah.
and it's not
No,
it's not an
anyway, I
updated
think-
judgment.
Anyway, I think लोग यूपी को बहुत जज करते हैं. इतना बुरा नहीं है.
Yeah.
It's and the Ghaziabad जो दिल्ली के बॉर्डर के वाले सिटीज हैं, वो बेचारे ना वो प्रॉपर यूपी के हैं, ना वो दिल्ली के. So it's like they're stuck in between.
Yeah, exactly. Like I think you should take more pride in being from Uttar Pradesh, to be honest.
Yeah,
Like,
actually.
Yeah.
Wait, so Noida also falls in like.
Yeah, man.
Exactly.
Man, you enter Delhi and you go like, oh, कहाँ पे गया था? Oh, मैं नोएडा गया था. No, bro, that's not Delhi. तू नोएडा गया था या गुड़गांव गया था? That's not Delhi. You know,
Yeah.
like, that's Haryana and that's UP.
And
like.
now, like so many people from Delhi, because it's become so crowded, they're moving to Noida, Gurgaon, Ghaziabad, because it's too crowded.
And these places are coming up as well, like in like a proper flow.
Yeah.
Like, you can see that.
Yeah. So coming back to where I come from, yes, I come from Ghaziabad, and I studied there. And after that, so for my college, used to commute, I think one way 2 hours.
Whoa.
Yes, for my college. So काफ़ी hustle की है मैंने,
Fair.
because that's what my parents have taught me. They've done the same. So I come from a very humble background. जहाँ ये है कि आपको जो भी चाहिए आपको खुद करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा कोई
You work for it.
Yeah,
yes,
that's
yes,
good.
you work for it.
Fair.
And so yeah, so my mother right now also she's an entrepreneur at this
Awesome.
age. So I get all that inspiration from her. So but my dad is like very simple. वो अपने 9 to 5 वाले हैं. वो he's
So
like
one has to be
crazy.
One
simple
has to be
and one has to be
stable.
crazy,
Yeah,
right?
That's-
Like,
yeah.
I feel that's there in every
Yeah, so
relation.
there is a balance.
Yeah.
So yeah, after that मैंने काफ़ी जगह जॉब की. I was a banker.
Wow.
So I started my first job at 22. So I was the youngest in my family to start working.
Awesome.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
So yeah, after that banker. फिर उसके बाद मैंने सोचा यार नहीं ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा banking job, because like there's no growth, and I wanted, since the beginning I wanted, like, I don't know, this is manifestation or what, but I wanted like bigger things in life.
Yeah.
So I was like, नहीं यार ये तो सही नहीं लग रहा है, अभी और कुछ अच्छा करना है. Then I went
Like, how
to.
did you realize that you were stuck in this, or like निकले कैसे आप उससे?
Yeah.
Or like
You see people around you and you know that they've been stuck there like for 4-5 years. तो तुम्हें समझ आ जाता है कि यार तुम हो सकता है 5 साल बाद तुम सेम काम कर रहे होगे, तो तुम्हें निकलना पड़ेगा यहाँ से.
पर सबको नहीं दिखता है, right?
सबको
Like,
ऐसे
इतने
नहीं
लोग-
होता है. They see growth in this 9 to 5. You thought like after this ceiling, this is
उसके
it.
ऊपर और कुछ है ही
और
नहीं,
कुछ
right?
नहीं है.
Like,
नहीं,
Is that what you saw?
मुझे I don't know. I'm that's the kind of person I am. I'm never satisfied with things. I have to keep moving. I have to just do better and better. So मुझे था कि नहीं ये this is not for me. And anyway मुझे नौकरी करना अच्छा ही नहीं लगता था सच में. मतलब
Same man,
honestly,
same. Both.
I am not made for 9 to 5. That I realized very late in my life, I think. But better late than never. So
That's true.
that's completely fine. And all those like experiences really taught me a lot. Corporate में थोड़ा बहुत काम करना चाहिए, उसके बाद तुम कुछ भी करो. I think
Yeah,
it
it like
teaches
teaches
you a
you a
lot.
lot.
Like a tick mark or like
Yes.
It
थोड़ा
teaches you.
experience होना
Yes.
चाहिए वहाँ से.
Especially the discipline.
Yeah.
And I was in sales and marketing throughout, like 6-7 years I worked in India before coming here.
Nice.
So it really taught me like my communication skills, and I was an extrovert then. Abhi to extrovert, I don't know where I lie, introvert or extrovert, because of my Instagram, because we like kind of create content within the closed doors or maybe just by ourselves.
That's
so it's
like a very interesting conversation to get. I want
Are
to
you
get into
like-
that, but I want to know the story.
Yeah, so now I don't know where I fall, somewhere in between, I guess. But earlier I was like, oh, go getter, ये वाला sales crack करनी है, ये
Yeah.
वाली deal crack करनी है. So it was very exciting.
Fair.
Yeah, it taught me a lot.
But is that because like it's sales? Like sales का काम ही है, right? Like you have to be a go-getter. Like
Yeah.
you get close one sale, the second one should be on the way. Third one, it's like
Yeah.
you keep accumulating sales here and there. So I feel like that's a bit of the job asks for that as well.
Agreed. And I think it's not for everybody.
True.
It's not for everybody.
Yeah.
Because I've seen my friends, some people are like good at behind the scenes, some people are good at sales, some people are good at strategies.
Yeah.
But I was like, मुझे उस टाइम पे मुझे वो मज़ा आ रहा था करने में, but then I realized no, again I have to do something else because this is not working out. This is
Fair.
not for me. 9 to 5 नहीं हो रहा. I'm not a person who would wake up like I want to wake up early these days. I wake up early,
Yeah.
but
you wake up early for the other things,
मुझे किसी को
right?
जाके रिपोर्ट नहीं करना. मुझे रिपोर्टिंग नहीं करनी.
अपने लिए उठना है.
अपने लिए करना है जो करना है. मुझे सुबह आके जवाब नहीं देना मैंने कितने टारगेट्स अचीव किए हैं, मैंने कितना मैं इतने बजे क्यों नहीं आई, मैं आज क्या कर रही थी. मुझे किसी को जवाब नहीं देना.
What sales were you in?
It was corporate sales. So there was the last company that I worked with, it's called Zaggle.
Okay.
I don't know अभी वो company है या नहीं. It was a startup.
Fair.
But I think loyalty cards होते हैं ना.
Whoa,
So I used to sell
nice.
that to corporates.
Nice.
Oh.
Yes.
Sweet.
And one of my biggest clients was Oppo.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
So
nice.
phone
Yeah.
company, right?
Yes.
Phone company, yeah.
हाँ.
It was my client. And so
Amazing,
many
man.
hotels also.
This was all in like Ghaziabad, right? Or
No, I
in
was
the-
working in Gurgaon. So गाजियाबाद तो घर था,
अच्छा,
but
but
मैं घर
Gurgaon.
पे कभी रही नहीं.
So when did you go out to work, man? That's like a part of like,
Delhi, Gurgaon. I was in Bangalore also.
Whoa.
So
Wow.
yeah,
That's
so
crazy,
So,
man.
but
You've
when
been
did you
around.
come to Dubai then?
2018, right after I got married.
Awesome.
Oh.
Yeah. So मुझे दुबई की भी बहुत फनी स्टोरी है. मुझे कभी दुबई नहीं आना था.
Okay, one of
ये
them.
दुबई
Yeah, one
आने
of
से
them
पहले
Indians.
पता
Yes,
था
yes.
यार दुबई like what ये कैसे हो गया?
It's like one of them.
दुबई क्यों नहीं आया था, bro?
I've heard this from a lot of people in India. Like, oh,
Why?
मुझे कभी दुबई नहीं जाना है. I don't know.
क्यों?
There's
मैं
something,
ये-
some hate against Dubai.
क्योंकि
Honestly-
सबको जाना है वहाँ पे इसलिए.
नहीं तब सबको नहीं जाना था.
What's the, like, thought process behind? वो ये
Dubai
पूछ रहा
dream wasn't a thing then.
Okay.
Yeah.
It was always like people were going to
US, Canada,
US, Canada,
UK.
Okay,
UK.
fair.
But मुझे ऐसा specific नहीं था कि मुझे specific एक country जाना है या निकलना है यहाँ से. मुझे नहीं था.
हाँ.
मुझे it just happened because I met the right guy at the right time, and he was in Dubai, so and we kind of connected, but it was never in cards कि मुझे जाना ही जाना है बाहर.
Fair. सही है.
बट मुझे ये हमेशा से मैं लोगों को बोलती थी यार मुझे दुबई नहीं जाना, बिकॉज व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू डिस्कस अबाउट द हॉलीडेज नो, या ऐसी रैंडम फ्रेंड्स के साथ डिस्कशन हो रहा है कि अच्छा my friend probably tell me that she has connected with a guy who lives in Australia. Wow, okay, good for you. So she would tell me there's a guy from Dubai also. So I used to reply, nahi Dubai mujhe to nahi jana hai, sorry. I will never. And see, now I'm
You attracted at you by saying no, like anti-manifestation.
Yes, exactly. That happens actually. That really happens.
Fair. That's crazy.
But you're glad it happened, right?
इतना दूर भाग रहे थे, like you just end up going
I'm
to
so
it.
thankful that happened. I couldn't be more grateful.
How did your life change after you entered Dubai?
Life changed.
Did it take like a roller coaster flip turn?
Roller coaster,
Like-
right?
Like what was the biggest change for you when you came here?
Biggest
Yeah.
changed, yeah. I don't know if you can connect with this. So I was throughout a very independent girl. ठीक है, मेरी अच्छी नौकरी थी. I was earning decent according to girls at that my age at that point of time. So to leave everything behind and come here और यहाँ पे आके तुम्हारा जॉब एक्सपीरियंस, तुम्हारी डिग्री सब ज़ीरो.
Yeah.
So it flipped, drastically flipped, and मैं बहुत proudly ये बोलती थी कि मैं कभी I've never got rejected in one single interview in India. और यहाँ पे आके तो मुझे लोग बोल रहे हैं तुम्हें पता है ये वाला काम करना पड़ेगा, स्टार्टिंग में तुम्हें ये करना पड़ेगा, तुम्हारी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है अभी, जितना भी काम किया है कॉर्पोरेट सेल्स व्हाटएवर क्लाइंट, इट्स जीरो बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव दुबई एक्सपीरियंस.
Really? That's a thing?
Yes, that's a thing.
What are
That's
you
a
saying?
thing. Yes,
Like,
yes.
ये मैंने okay, so I can relate to a point because now let's say
But
अगर
experience
यहाँ
is
से
experience.
हमें Canada जाना है,
Yeah.
this is what I've heard people talk about, like from Dubai if you want to go to Canada, like okay, whatever you've done, छोड़ दे भाई, वहाँ पे जाके
Yeah,
burger
flip
करो.
करो. That's why I
and,
never
like,
went
this
to
is what
Canada.
I've heard.
That's why I never went.
Literally.
That's why I
No,
never
this
applied.
So
happens.
does that even happen like in Dubai? Like
Yes.
I never knew that.
It happened with me. I see that happening with so many people. You're lucky if you have connections.
Yeah, I mean that's
Yes.
if you have connections, like
yes.
then again
And-
it doesn't matter in the other way.
Exactly. And also like in India, you're competing with your fellow community or maybe Indians, and here like यहाँ तो इतनी डाइवर्सिटी है. I came here, it opened my eyes. I was like ये क्या हो रहा है, मतलब मुझे लगता था मैं कभी रिजेक्ट नहीं हुई हूँ, यहाँ तो रिजेक्शन आफ्टर रिजेक्शन.
Yeah, man. People don't get jobs for two years and they're just like
Yeah.
coming on visit visa, going back.
I remember, so my father-in-law had set me up with an agency here. उनके कोई connection था, and I think वो मेरा first या second interview था यहाँ पे, and the guy told me, you know what, आप reception पे काम कर सकते हो, 2,500-3,000, that's the maximum we can pay you. I was like, मेरे
My
पैरों से जमीन निकल गई.
yeah.
I was like, ये कैसे हो सकता है? Then I was under a lot of like my mental
Stress?
health was destroyed for
Yeah.
like I was
Like,
nearly
confidence would have been
Confidence,
shattered, man.
yeah.
Like,
कॉन्फिडेंस तो चला ही
Sure.
गया था बिल्कुल कि मुझे नहीं लगता था. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक पता नहीं अब होगा नहीं होगा. एंड बट मेरे दिमाग में था कि कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा. एंड एनीवे मुझे नौकरी अभी मिल भी जाएगी, मुझे आगे करनी नहीं है. सो
Fair.
दैट शुरू से ही था कि मुझे 9 to 5 नहीं करनी है. बट देन यहाँ पे आके आई गॉट इनटू एन एजेंसी
Nice.
एंड आई वर्क देयर फॉर फ्यू मंथ्स. फिर कोविड आ गया.
Oh.
yes.
And this story, like I've told this to so many people, and that changed my life. That job changed my life, actually. So 2020 April 2020. So this guy who I used to work under in that company, who told me कि अभी ना हम पैसे काटेंगे क्योंकि आपने 2 छुट्टी की है. एंड उससे पहले वो पैसे नहीं काटते थे. एंड मी बीइंग सो लाइक ब्लंट, मैंने उनको ऐसे बोल दिया कि यार आप ऐसे कोविड की वजह से काट रहे हो क्या पैसे, दिस इज़ नॉट फेयर, बिकॉज मैंने आपको बोला था मुझे छुट्टी लेनी है, आप ऐसे क्यों पैसे काट रहे हो. एंड देन इट्स लाइक ठीक है, अब उन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि इसने ऐसा बोल दिया हमें तो अब इसे निकालो.
Oh, this is
Yeah.
politics.
Yeah.
Eeks आ गई.
So they
Politics.
collectively decided कि because she's speaking up and probably क्योंकि वो काटने ही वाले हैं आगे, काटेंगे ही, because the other people told me later कि हमारे
Regular
साथ तो हुआ है ये, ठीक है.
Okay.
So उन्होंने पहले ये डिसीजन ले लिया, इससे पहले ये कुछ बोले हमें ही से निकाल देते हैं.
Yeah.
Fair.
एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट फ़ोन कॉल, एंड वो ये सब फ़ोन कॉल पे हुआ, ऐसे कुछ बुला के नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज वी वर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, है ना. सो वो फ़ोन पे हुआ, उसके बाद उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि ऐसे ऐसे है, एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर माई हैंड्स वर शेकिंग, बिकॉज इतनी मुश्किल से तो यार मुझे एक जॉब मिली थी.
Okay.
फाइनली आई कुड
After
से
how long of you finding a job did you get one?
8-9 months.
Oof. Okay.
ठीक है. एंड फिर उसके बाद मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया अब मैं और इंटरव्यू नहीं दूंगी. एंड आई टोल्ड माई हस्बैंड गिव मी लाइक 1 year, मैं कर लूँगी कुछ ना कुछ. और ये मैंने हस्बैंड को क्या बोलना था, आई टोल्ड माई सेल्फ दैट आई वॉन्ट टू गिव माई सेल्फ 1 year एंड सी वॉट आई डू. एंड आई ऑलरेडी हैड अ पेज, वो मेरा इंडिया से, because I liked dressing up, I liked doing my makeup, so I used to click pictures and do like funny stuff on my Instagram.
So you were always
There was
like a sort of an influencer.
Not influencer.
Like, but you were active on Instagram already.
Active, yeah.
Experimenting.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, fair.
But back then I didn't have an aspiration कि मुझे लाइफ में यही करना है.
हाँ. Fair.
Yeah, मुझे ये एस्पिरेशन था कि मुझे वेस्ट नहीं करना आउटफिट, मैं पोस्ट करना चाहती हूँ.
But some people don't post it because वापस नहीं पहनना or like something like that.
No,
or
no,
like,
I too like to repeat my clothes all the times.
Can you please tell that to everyone? Like it's okay
Please
to
guys,
repeat.
repeat your clothes. इतने सारे कपड़े लेके कहाँ जाओगे फिर? It's not good for the environment, honestly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wise words.
Yeah,
Okay.
and fashion changes every second, तो वो it's not good. Invest in like good clothing, invest in neutral colors that really works for a long time. मैं सिर्फ if you like go through my page, I wear colors very less only because of this reason. Fast fashion से मैं थोड़ा दूर हो गई हूँ. I used to
Wait. What is fast fashion? Like
changes
Only.
like
What is fast fashion?
Like tell me an example of a fast, like some sort of clothing. What is it like?
it's like not some sort of clothing, it's like pieces which are in trend right now and might not be in trend after 6 months. For example, I'll give you a ruffle top, like girls would relate. A ruffle top abhi, if I have like 5 ruffle tops, that's a statement piece. You can wear it like probably occasionally, but that's not gonna help you build an outfit on everyday basis. You get my
Fair.
point?
Okay. Like it's like garnishing.
Yeah, so आप statement pieces एक दो लो, but then invest in like pieces which you can wear probably 4-5 times आराम से.
Fair enough. So would you
Yeah.
like advise people to get lesser clothing for their wardrobes and more accessories? Or would you prefer having more clothes and lesser accessories?
It depends, honestly.
Like what
See,
is the right
I'm-
balance?
Accessories also, there are accessories which are like durable, which will last you for a long time. Invest in them. For example, now in my wish list is like Cartier watch.
Oh, in
I
my
really
wish
wanna-
list, there's a Rolex.
Yeah, so invest in those. Ab Cartier jaisi, so many dupes there are in the market.
Yeah.
Go to Dubai.
Yeah, so some people might do that, and I'm not saying that's wrong, but that's something which I wouldn't prefer. Yeah,
Fair.
I would buy one, but I would buy one that I really want, and I know that's a timeless piece and it's gonna
Fair.
last me for years. But I will not go to Amazon and like pick 5 random things and
Okay. And you
change
won't stock up on
karke.
it.
हाँ,
Like,
I don't like that. Yeah, I was that kind of person when I was in my 20s, but not anymore.
you think it's a phase जब आप 20s में हो, you just want everything, and then 30s में you start like streamlining. Okay, मुझे ये चाहिए. ये
No,
चाहिए,
because
ये चाहिए.
I think it's okay. In 20s, it's okay to explore. because you're exploring your personal style.
Fair.
You're getting to know your body, you're getting to know what suits you. Like, for example, so many times, like now I look back and see my pictures, I used to wear so many things which I know are not meant for my body. I'm not generalizing that few things are not meant for certain bodies. I'm just saying it did not look flattering on me,
Fair.
so it doesn't like so.
But then you wouldn't know till you don't experiment.
Yeah,
now.
exactly. So now I can say because I now look back and see what I wore. But back then I was just experimenting.
Fair.
So it's
I mean,
good to
back then
experiment.
I thought like it would be cool and all. Same, like, 'cause if I look at my old photos, I'll be like, what am I wearing? You know,
kya
kya pehna hai? And then maybe at that time I thought, like, wow, it's the cool
यार
fashion.
मैं
and all,
अभी
you
भी
know?
Probably, man, it was like
मैं
all these
अभी भी
trends.
यही करती हूँ. मैं कभी कभी इतनी वेली होती हूँ कि मैं अपनी रील्स जाके सारी देख रही होती हूँ पिछले 1 साल में जो डाली है मैंने. एंड आई एम सेल्फ एनालाइजिंग, यार इसमें मैं ये कर सकती थी, इसमें मैं ये कर सकती
Wow.
थी. Why didn't
That's
I do
actually
that?
pretty good.
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
we should do that.
Where were we at with your story, man? कहाँ थे हम? मैं तो भूल ही गया. It was like super sidetracked. But I want to know, when did you start taking what you actually do now seriously? Like,
So yeah, 2020 was a time when I started like doing this full time, because as I told you, I had a page before, but it wasn't serious. It was never meant to be, you know, aspirational कि इससे मुझे पैसे कमाने हैं. This can be a career. I didn't know that.
fair.
So in 2020, I thought, let me just give it a try and let's see how it goes. And I started posting more. I started connecting with agencies. And then also, like, in this journey, nobody's gonna guide you anything. This is for sure. This is I'm telling for young creators, for all the creators who are just starting out. Nobody's gonna help you. You have to do all your research, everything on your own. You have to go out, meet people. You will meet right people. You will meet wrong people. You'll meet every sort of
Person, every sort of person.
yeah.
In Dubai, you'll meet everyone.
Yes.
I feel like you can meet every sort of
Yes.
person.
So like, would you consider yourself like a fashion influencer?
So
an
I
extent.
started off with fashion beauty, but
Okay.
now I do lifestyle because some a wise girl told me, she's a PR girly, and she told me quite recently that, you know, Sakshi, you should explore lifestyle also, because you know you are the brand.
Fair.
Fair enough. Yeah.
So if they are looking that potential in you to promote, for example, a food brand, that means they looking at you as a brand.
Fair.
They have a team, they have done their thorough research on what you do, you have been doing, but still they want to work with you. It's because you are the brand. So you have to start working on now your personal branding. So that's how
That brings me to one thing.
Yeah.
Now, switching from a fashion influencer to a lifestyle influencer,
Yeah.
you've got to open up more of your life
yes.
to
Yes.
to your followers, to your community. How's the transition happening?
Yeah, how
how
comfortable
comfortable
were
are
you,
you with that transition?
So when I started my page 2020 में, तब मैं अपनी लाइफ बहुत शेयर करती थी, because I barely had 5,000-7,000 followers, and I used to share a lot. फिर then when my following really grew and I started taking, you know, things seriously, so many brands are watching me, so many PR people are watching me, and I used to feel very protected about what I kind of share, what I want to share on my story or post. तो मैं थोड़ा सा वो हो गई कि क्या
Like थोड़ा झिझक
No.
yeah,
हो
I used
जाता
to
है, you know, like you're not
hesitate.
comfortable about
Yes,
with it
I wasn't
initially, at
comfortable.
least.
But
Yeah.
अभी now again started. तब मैं बहुत रैंडम चीजें शेयर करती थी. मतलब अभी मैं जाके आर्काइव देखती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है shit, this is so cringe.
That's your journey, right? Like when you
Yeah,
get cringe
like-
at yourself, you know that you are at a better place, right?
Yeah,
You
so
know,
OGs know, people who
Yeah.
have been following me for long, so they know everything, they know. But abhi kya hai ki abhi I like to, because you evolve as a person also, right? It's been like 5 years almost.
Yeah.
So you evolve as a person. Now I have different aesthetics. Now there's a storytelling in everything, which I feel, you know, it connects more with the audience. So now I share. There's a thin line between sharing and oversharing. I try not to overshare, because
Yeah.
I'm an oversharer.
But वो भी subjective line है, right? Sharing and oversharing is also subjective to each person.
Yeah,
technically.
correct. But I kind of try to make a balance. Yeah.
Interesting, man. Like that like I know कि lifestyle में you got to share a lot more than just whatever is going on with you. So it can be a little overwhelming initially. Like I've come across so
Same,
many
because we were also trying to do something similar. Like I want to do
And, like, I connect
maybe
with
some
you on that
vlogging,
bit.
maybe something I was trying to get into, and then I was like, should I get into it or not? You know what I mean? Like, because I have to share a lot more than what I'm
No,
already
but
doing.
it's up to you. It's up to you. For example, now I've started doing vlogs, quick vlogs on Instagram and TikTok. So I know what to share, and I know that my husband is kind of not very comfortable in front of camera. He likes it, so he's like उसको कभी कभी attention चाहिए होती है और कभी कभी नहीं चाहिए होती है. So
Like
I
every
always
guy,
Every guy is like that, I
every
think.
guy.
so I ask for his permission that is it okay with you,
Yeah.
and that's how it goes. But with that vlogs also I know what to share, and ऐसे तो बहुत कुछ तुम पूरे दिन में करते हो, हर चीज
Yeah.
शेयर नहीं कर सकते.
Exactly.
That's
true.
Yeah, true. So you need to know what to filter out and like,
And you get to know that what your audience really wants to see, and
yeah.
also like as a business point of view also I have to see that if I'm doing vlogs, how can I share a particular thing wherein the
So when
wherein
the brand looks at you
brand
and-
looks at me and can try to integrate their brand.
like brand placement.
ये
anywhere.
brand placement हो जाए.
wow.
So you have
That's
to
actually
Wow, wow,
That's
wow,
really
wow,
good.
wow, wow.
That's a really good
That is
strategy.
insane.
Yeah. Just for
Gotta
example-
get back into vlogging, bro.
yeah.
Wow, that you've opened my eye. The one that's not opening right now. Fair. So we're gonna ask you like 3 quick fire questions. Okay. So hopefully you don't have much time to think about it and go straight for it. Okay. So what are the top 3 red flags in men's dressing according to you?
Skinny jeans.
Oh,
Number 1.
Yeah. Fitted t-shirts showing off too much of biceps. I don't like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's it, I
One
guess.
more. We need one more. Come on, dig deeper. Shoes, cap, belt.
I think वो जो बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रांड वाले शूज पहनते हैं,
Like
बड़ा
this?
बड़ा गुची.
Like this? Is
Is
this
it
very
Gucci?
big?
Gucci?
Is
No,
this
not
very
Nike.
big?
Nike. Okay, Gucci wale.
Gucci wala?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
चलो बच गया मैं.
Thank God, because I'm wearing Nike.
He's also wearing.
Okay.
You get my point? वो जो बहुत
Yeah,
बड़ी
yeah.
बड़ी ब्रांड.
Like ये देख मैंने Gucci पहना है यार, ये देख.
Yeah.
Okay, fair. Ronak, go.
Alright, tell me wardrobe essential for like men on women.
For men and women both, in neutrals, like invest in neutrals. If you are living in like country like UAE, invest in good linen clothing. It's very, very important. And try to be color coordinated. That's what I feel makes you look put together. So if you're wearing ऊपर red और नीचे बहुत ही again अलग color, for example red के साथ I can suggest to mute down the tone would be gray, not black.
Oh,
Interesting.
I'll try that.
Bro, man.
I'll try it. Like I
Really?
thought just I've been
He
black.
loves these color combinations and stuff with
Yeah.
his suits and stuff. And
Yeah,
he wears them
like-
for
But you
work.
can play around with color as long as you are coordinated. Again, if you're layering, then you can play around with colors.
Yeah, like like my suit and my
Yeah,
shirt and my
yeah.
tie. I always want to like
But
coordinate.
if there's no layering, then color coordination makes you look very put together. Like this is my secret. For example, today I was telling my husband, it's my first podcast. I'm kind of nervous, but today I know what works for me. Color coordinated black outfit and red lipstick. It's gonna make you feel very confident.
Awesome.
So it makes me feel very confident.
You're not
Yeah.
nervous now, right?
No.
I think you're in a flow, man.
Yeah,
You're killing it.
Wait, third.
Yeah.
Alright, so one fashion do and one fashion don't that everyone should know about.
Fashion do. ये बहुत subjective है यार.
Yeah, that's fine. Even I can answer it, but your opinion is what matters.
Fashion do.
Yeah.
It's always starts with your hair. So if your hair is done properly, even no matter what you're wearing, I think half of the job is done.
With the hair.
Yes, with the hair.
Fair.
Yeah. And don't, I think shoes with open toes, it's kind of
Shoes with open toes.
like,
Are those even considered shoes?
yeah, I mean,
Chappal.
Okay.
it
Fine.
comes in like shoe family,
Okay,
right?
sorry. My bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of ruins the outfit.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Fair. No, so no
Unless
sandals,
you want to
no
be comfy,
chappal. Yeah.
unless you're going out for just a comfy date or comfy, comfy schedule. Other than that, open toes make you look little.
Okay. Unless you're going for just comfort, then
Yeah.
no open toes.
Yeah.
So I want to know from your side, like, can you tell, like, for our audience and your audience or something, top 3 like affordable brands?
Affordable brands,
Or like-
Splash, Trendyol.
Okay.
Is it like trusted or not? Abhi
That's
main
the
on the
thing.
edge hoon with Trendyol.
Should be.
It's a marketplace, so there are brands in Trendyol.
Like, is it like legit or like?
No, it's legit.
I don't know. Like, I'm like one of those skeptics.
Sometimes I find Temu like not legit.
Temu is also legit, but it's just that again, it's a marketplace. It's hit or miss, depends
Okay.
what you're buying. Read the reviews. So with Trendyol also, I would suggest to read the reviews. Yeah,
Interesting. There was one more we need.
one
from you.
more
Yeah.
affordable. Stradivarius. What's that brand? I can't pronounce it. Every time I struggle. Stradivarius.
Stradivarius. I don't know. I have no idea.
I have no
But we
idea.
will look
No.
into this.
The logo will come up when we're.
Logo will come up. Yeah.
I'm never able to pronounce this brand. Stradivarius or Stradivarius. It's a dupe for, like, it's not a dupe. It's like a replacement for Zara. People,
Interesting.
Okay.
yeah. So it's
So I
got
can look
really
into this.
good clothing. Yeah.
I like how you edit the dupe part out and all. Oh, not a dupe actually, it's a replacement.
Yeah. I mean, Zara is, I think, overhyped. So it's
Okay, so
overpriced.
that's a-
overhyped,
Oh.
overpriced.
Yeah.
So
So you find Zara like that's
Interesting. Like, even I have to have a similar opinion.
yeah.
about Zara.
the kind of clothes that you get for the price that you pay. Some clothes they lack structure. Some clothes the stitching is really poor, so it's better to avoid.
Fair, because
Yeah.
I think I'll check this brand out really soon though. अभी मैंने Uniqlo से कपड़े खरीदे इंडिया से. So
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, we don't have it here, no?
Yeah,
Uniqlo?
there's a reason. But I don't know why Uniqlo is not there.
So I had
I'm waiting for it to come here, and if it does, like, go crazy
Yeah.
on it, man. I just went and picked up all colors for my t-shirts and stuff.
yeah.
But so unfortunately, this is all that we have time for today.
Okay.
And it was a super pleasure talking to you. And
I want to know more, obviously. So there's going to be another time you're going to come here.
yeah, we're gonna get you back for one more time.
Okay.
And we
Okay.
fix
Yeah, I
Yeah.
want to do that for sure because I want to know
Part
more.
2, we go
Part
deeper
2.
into fashion.
Yes.
Interesting. How was your experience? Did you like it?
It was lovely. I
Yeah.
think, yeah. I
Did you have
wish
a
we
good
had more time,
Yeah.
but it was lovely.
We'll
For sure.
schedule one more really soon.
Yeah.
Because we're rebranding and we're gonna checkpoint that in.
Yes.
So
Excited.
that'll be awesome.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So someone actually, one of my follower, she pointed out someday I was just making a story and she pointed out that you should do a podcast. So I'm gonna send that to her now.
Awesome.
See, I did it.
Awesome.
Nice.
You're catering to your audience for real.
Yeah, she
Crazy.
kind of saw that potential in me. Ki,
Oh, it was.
tum-
I was
you-
having a really good conversation.
Yeah,
like
you-
honestly,
Really?
You're great at speaking. Like, I would love to talk more.
like I want
Yeah,
to know
same
more.
here.
Like your
Yeah.
like I want to know more about your like whole India story and everything. I really wanted to know more.
We'll dig deeper.
Take
आराम
it.
से.
Done.
But that's all we have time for today. So
Thank
thank you so
you.
much, Sakshi.
Thank you, guys.
Peace.